Hey everybody, my name is Stjepan and I'm the founder and CEO of AI in AEC. And we are here today recording ChatGPT for BIM managers, showing you more than 30 practical ways you can use ChatGPT for anything within your BIM job, your BIM work. The point of this masterclass is to teach you how to fully utilize ChatGPT as a BIM manager, as a BIM coordinator, and even a BIM modeler. It will teach you how can you use ChatGPT as your main assistant in your BIM work. I am a BIM manager working for an architectural design studio focusing on school and university design. There's 100 different ways, and it's just gonna tell you what to use it for. This has been thinking for 15 seconds, and the answer is a lot more detailed. What you see happened is that a graph was created, and it's pretty cool, right? So LOD 100, detail level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what ChatGPT just remembers about me. It knows a lot because I told it to remember a lot. ChatGPT changed my life, really, because it saves me countless hours every week. And I'm super excited to share so many practical ways you can use it as well. So if this is something that interests you, please continue watching and join us in the course.